In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple responses in Google Forms 5 minutes. We'll start from a blank form and set things up so your form can accept multiple entries while keeping control over how many times each option can be selected. This is perfect for signups, appointments, or any situation where you want people to submit more than once but avoid overbooking specific choices. Begin by heading to Google Drive, then open the Apps section and choose Google Forms. Create a new form so we're working with a clean slate. Add your questions and enter the options you want people to pick from, like time slots, seats, or resources. The key is to have your choices listed clearly, since we're going to manage how many times each one can be selected. Next, open the More menu in the Form Editor, the three-dot icon in the top right, and select Get Add-ons. In the Add-ons Marketplace, search for Choice Limiter. The add-on we want is called Choice Eliminator X, Choice Limit and Form Limiter. Open its page, click Install, and connect it to your Google account. Review the permissions, approve them, and when the installation completes, click Done. Back in your form, look for the add-ons icon, the puzzle piece near the top. Click it, choose Choice Eliminator X, Choice Limit and Form Limiter, and select Start. A panel will open on the right. Here's where you set up the limiter. Pick the question that contains the choices you want to control, then assign a limit for each option. For example, if you have 10 seats for a session, set that option's limit to 10. The add-on will track selections and hide or disable options as they fill up, while your form continues to accept multiple submissions. When your limits are configured, click Publish in the add-ons panel to apply your settings to the form. From this point forward, respondents can submit the form multiple times, and your options will automatically respect the limits you set. This keeps everything organized without you having to manually edit choices as they fill. A quick reminder, keep your question types compatible with the add-on, such as multiple choice or drop-down for best results. Clear option names help prevent confusion, and concise descriptions make the form easier to complete. That's it. You created a form, added your options, installed the add-on, configured limits, and published the settings. You're now ready to collect multiple responses while maintaining precise control over your available choices.